We've come all the way from Florida and New York to Brazil to find this Lady Liberty outside a department store called Avon here in Brazil. And this Lady Liberty is actually pretty tall. I mean, I don't want to go as far as to say its actual size, but pretty big and pretty out of place. I don't know. There she is, Lady Liberty, and the Stars and Stripes. Look at that. Unplanned. All right, let's go to the department store. Looks like to me like a giant dollar store or something like that. But they've got a cafe, they've got coffee, so we'll check it out. Let's find my family. I found them. They're trying to escape. Nice place though. Got all the necessities. Makeup counter.
They cut off the mat.
My kid. I think this place is comparable to like a
Walmart.
no, like a
Walmart.
not really Walmart.
No,
I would say like
TV's in the back.
a Bed Bath and Beyond maybe.
Yeah.
A lot of bedding selections here. And then in the back they've got some audio visual toys. All your bases are covered here. You got bicycles, got tires, pressure washers. I guess this would be like a guy section. Right next to all your laptops. Curling irons, everything's covered here. There we go, two clowns.
Mommy, what is this?
The best thing about this place is when you're done over there, you can come here and order something to eat. We are actually going to be getting, there it is, key lime pie and some coffee. So a little mid-afternoon pick-me-up, and my son's going to get some ice cream.
Vanilla, chocolate, and the same thing that you got at the monkey.
Napoleon.
Yeah, same thing I got at.
Me?
Yeah, you try it. Key lime pie going down. Is it good?
Nice.
Okay.
You don't get like recording after someone put something in their mouth, Eric.
Good?
Eric, you can ask that.
And that concludes our day of shopping here in Brazil in the rain as my son goes down. Down. Right?
The first store.
Alright, that's it. Our day in the rain has turned into shopping. So, thank y'all for watching.